Forgot your screen time passcode on iPhone, and now you can't change settings or remove restrictions. Don't worry, in this video, I'll show you 5 effective ways to get rid of the screen time password, with and without data loss. Let's get started. Method 1. Use iCloud recovery. If you set up screen time with your iCloud, you can reset the passcode easily. Go to Settings, Screen Time, Change Passcode, Forgot Passcode, enter your iCloud and password, then the screen time passcode will be removed. Method 2. Use family sharing. If the device is part of a family sharing group, the organizer can reset the screen time passcode. Just go to Screen Time Settings on the parent's device, select the child account, and change the passcode. Method 3. Use a professional unlocker. If you don't have access to iCloud or family sharing, you can use a tool like MagFone iPhone Unlocker. Just connect your iPhone, choose Remove Screen Time, and follow the instructions. In most cases, it removes the passcode without deleting any data, making it the easiest option for most users. Method 4. Erase via iCloud. You can also erase your iPhone using iCloud. Go to iCloud.com, sign in, select your device, and click Erase iPhone. This will remove the screen time passcode, but all data on your device will be deleted. Method 5. Restore via iTunes. Another option is restoring your iPhone using iTunes or Finder. Connect your device and choose Restore the device. This will completely reset your iPhone, including screen time settings.